Can you believe it's been a year since I bought the Bigrock, since the release of this with the faulty ESCs and all the issues we've had? So it's been a year. Let me tell you what I like, don't like, what's broke on this car, what's worked really well. I'll give you my impressions of this after having it for 1 year. It's the good stuff. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, 1 year of having the Bigrock. And you know, it took almost that long to get this light kit. Oh man, I do like this RC. Man, lots of power, man, lots of power. Woo! Now I know that was one complaint with some people, were the tires being a bit slick, but I kind of like it. I think I need to adjust my trim here. I'm gonna reboot this system, but man, that's one thing I really like on this RC is the clipless system that they went with. It's not fully clipless, but it's definitely an improvement. I like how easy it is to get everything on and off with this. And then if you get this light kit, look, really nice magnetic. Hopefully y'all can see that. So that way, if you do like I just did, rip the body off and don't think about it, it just unplugs itself. All right, I think we got it. I think we got it figured out now. Got the trim set. But yeah, after oh, those tires are slick. After oh yeah, but yeah, after the whole ESC debacle, I haven't had anything go wrong with this RC at all. Whoa, she is a little front heavy. Well, wait, I say if you want to ground run this thing all day long, ooh, if you really want to bash and hit big stuff, get the Creighton, because this body's quite a bit of money and it's a pain. There's a lot of parts on this thing, a lot. I haven't had to do anything to it, but I definitely wouldn't want to have to work on it. But why is this thing turning on its own? I wonder if that gyro ain't. Would this truck clear this? Oh, probably, absolutely. It doesn't, the valving and stuff on the suspension is just not really set up for these landings. But for like drifting around and stuff, oh yeah. Oh no, what was that? What was that? What the hell? Did that not look like it was broke? That looked like it came off. I guess not. Holy crap. I thought it was... Man, I'm seeing stuff, man. I'll tell you, this thing, 6S, is freaking brutal, man. It's got a lot of power. See, it's making these uncommanded turns. Ooh, I need to turn this gyro completely off. Let's see. Now I added a gyro. This does not come with one. But I just felt, you know, as slick as these tires were and as the way it was moving around, the gyro could help. But it seems, yeah, I think the gyro in that thing has gone out. All right, so let's talk about a few things I like and dislike. I do wish these rails on the roof were a bit thicker to protect the body more. You can see I've already scraped up some of the screws. The screws should actually be recessed in there. It's really hard to pick anything to dislike on it, to be honest. Uh, Actually, I will say, yeah, the gyro. At this price, now, guys, irregardless if you use a gyro or not, whatever your feelings are on it, it's a better receiver. It's just a better receiver. And these things, what, $600-700? At that price point, to me, the gyro shouldn't even be an option. It should just come with the better receiver. If you want to use the gyro or not, that's up to you. But I mean, I think it should still be an option. Don't forget, just because you don't want it, doesn't mean there's other people that don't want it or could use it, whatever. It's not up to you to decide if somebody should use a gyro or not. It's not. But to me, it should have just came with a better receiver. But other than that, you know, I can understand some people maybe not liking the tires because they don't have the best grip, as you can see here. But to me, that's the fun. I don't have anything else I could toss around the grass like this. Man, I'm not even full throttle on this thing. It's just, oh. So I can understand some people disliking the tires. It all depends on your style of driving. I kind of like this drift action kind of. Oh man, I tell you what, these lights are awesome because these are like the only RC I think I had that I could see these lights from a distance. The headlights, you know, not as much as the brake lights there, or tail lights, but man, you can really see the tail lights. I do like the clipless system. I hope we're going to start going more and more into that. It just makes it a whole lot easier. The truck looks amazing. I mean, it's probably one of the prettiest RCs out there. Power, yeah, I like the power. It's been a good RC. I've had I had to swap out the ESC. They sent me a new one. It still had the glitch issue, and then they issued the software update, which fixed it. Which, for those of you that don't know, there was a slight issue where if you came off about half throttle, it would just tap the brake for a split second, like a drag brake or something. It really wasn't an issue here, but if you jumped and it engaged you, it would nose you down. Now I had it happen once, and I was like, I thought I did something. I took a jump and it went way down. I was like, whoa, what the hell? I'll tell you what, man. If you like the ground run and you like street stuff and running through a field, something like this, this is the car. If you want to jump over like this mound, send something in the air, get the Creighton. That would be my recommendation. Or you know, another car doesn't necessarily have to be a Creighton. Could be an Outcast, could be something Traxxas or whatever. Doesn't matter. But I'm just keep saying Creighton because they're pretty much the same vehicle here, just different suspension and that or whatever. But yeah, this thing is freaking. I absolutely love driving this thing. I said I wouldn't necessarily take it like deep off-roading or really use it for jumps, but like this, yeah. Can it handle jumps? Yes, yeah, sure. I said I just, to me, I'm a little more risk adverse. I don't want to risk that body. That's why I got more than one RC. So like I said, if I want to jump, I'll go take the Creighton out, or X-Max, Sledge, Outcast, something. But if I want to blast through a field, yeah, do some drifting around, kind of not be so much in control, this one. Oh man. Now out of the box, I will say, I think they had the punch set at like 5 or something like that, and you really couldn't wheelie on that. You got to turn up to, I believe I had mine at like, mine's at like 7. Oh, yeah, and it does have enough power to do that. Oh, the battery in the camera died, but luckily I got spares. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. Overall thoughts, man, I love the Bigrock. The thing's got power. It's a great looking RC. It's got a pretty cool light kit available to it. Yeah, I'm totally happy with it. I haven't broken anything on the car. I haven't even bent the axle, nothing in it. It's been a good car. Like I said, know what you buy. Buy an RC that's going to fit your style of driving. If you're the type that likes to hit jumps and catch big air, I really wouldn't recommend this for you. You got the same power, same price, everything in a Creighton. That's just going to be a better design, you know, that with the body and that, and more suspension. Oh shit! Oh, damn! That's when those slick tires hurt you. You're trying to stop. Oh man. So yeah, I mean, you know, the RCs are built different, and plus the Creighton has a lot of the EXB parts on it, where this one doesn't. But this one is, it's just a fun RC to bash around in, you know, just ground pound through a parking lot or a field. You know, it's got pretty good ground clearance, so it'll go through a lot of stuff, and it's just been a good RC, man. Lots of power, looks great. I mean, what more can I say? It's the Bigrock 6S. Been 1 year, absolutely thrilled, absolutely love this thing. All right, everyone, hope you enjoy watching the 1 year updates, let you know what's happened in a year of ownership of the car. Just keep you informed as to everything that's going on. I do have it bound to the iXSR. That is a fantastic remote, man. I really love that remote. Well, anyhow, check out the links down below. I have discount codes, also ways that help the channel. If you shop Amazon, use my store, please. Even if you don't buy anything, I get a commission. And if you want to buy one of these, I have a link to Horizon Hobby and AMAIN. It's an affiliate link, and I get a commission if you buy from them. It helps me purchase these cars so I can bring this content to you and keep you informed as to, you know, what's good, bad with these cars. Everyone, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.